In the previous lecture, we have seen how to perform form validations. Now, in this lecture, we'll see how to create Django forms. Okay, we made a mistake over here. So first, remove this. So first, here is the syntax form dot as underscore p. So this is the syntax to see the form. So let me run the server again and cool, fair enough. So this is our three fields which are created in our models, and this is our customization forms. We are in the form views. Now we can also create a button over here. So just okay, input button, input type is equal to submit, and the name is equal to create. Okay, cool. Again run the submit button. So test. Yes, it gives us validation as well. We haven't given any validation in our template, but we have used our model's email field. Then we have to correct email address over here, submit. Just pay attention here. The first name, last name, the value which you have entered is shown in the URL, which is not the secured one. So we have to pass it explicitly that no value should be displayed over here. So for that we need to write the method. By default the method is get. By default the method of the form is get, and in the get method the values entered in the text boxes or character fields are shown in the URLs. So we need to post it explicitly. So this must be post, and make sure you'll write in the uppercase. And okay, cool. Again run the server and enter the value test1. Okay, so this is the 403 error. What is this error? This error is for CSRF token. This token is used for the post method. If we want to use post method, we have to explicitly write the CSRF token. How to write this? Just by %CSRF underscore token. Let's run the server again. Great. The URL haven't shown anything. So this is how we can use post method and CSRF token. This is how we can use our forms. This is only the basic introduction of our form view. We'll see this form and form sets in detail in our form section. And let me show you one more thing which I have forgot to show you in models. And we can also see all the users which we have created in our template view. So if you write template underscore view users which we have created in it, by providing the get all objects, let me show you once. Okay, QS query set is equal to our model name register dot objects dot all. This is how we can get the all object print QS. So first print it and pass it in the object underscore list is equal to QS. Pass it explicitly, and template will pass here and context will pass here. So first let me check what is printed in the QS. Let's check. So as we have refreshed the page, and yes, this is the QS, this is the query set which we have printed. So how to display it in the URL? Yes, okay, we no need to print user over here. Go to the index.html, okay, and just write a for statement which we have conflicted in our form views. For object in object underscore list will create a list of object dot first first name. Okay, Cool. Object dot first name, and we need to end it percentage and 4. Okay, so let's check once again. Forget to load invalid block tag. Okay, we need to check it once, the brackets. We have seen how to create Django forms in our template. In next lecture we'll see how to create function based views